Well guys, it's a nice, bright sunny day. Just got off for summer vacation. And I'm back at our dealership. Got a couple new things to video. One being this 2002 Jeep Liberty limited edition 4x4. I've had a lot of requests to try to find some Liberties to do. So this is going to be a in-depth tour and test drive video. I'm going to combine them both. So we'll go ahead and take a quick tour. Start it up and let it run. Keys here. It's got leather, light gray and black interior. It's got 83,411 miles. Four-wheel drive here. Windows, both the front are automatic. And we'll go ahead and turn on the headlights and pop the hood. Power everything. Jeep has a 3.7 liter V6. Runs great. Just have body colored running boards. Alloy wheels. Pretty handy way to open up the tailgate. The all-weather mats are back here. Cargo cover. Seats fold down. Get the point. It's a pretty good rear seat room. Got to climb on the seats all the way back, and I'm just barely touching the back of the seat here. I'm about 5'10", 5'11". Cup holder. Seats are in great shape. power sliding tilting seat, manual recline, same on the driver's seat. Garage home link, range, compass. These have awesome sounding V6s. Great sounding engines. So go ahead and cut it off. Go get the plate and we'll get going with the test drive. All right, we're all ready to go. Got the plate on. Got the tripod set up in the rear. Start it up with the door closed this time. It's very quiet actually. Seatbelt's off for contact.
Stopped in your
This thing rides really smooth. I'm actually really surprised it's four-wheel drive. A lot of things that you would drive that are four-wheel drive ride just a tad bit rougher than two-wheel drive vehicles, at least in my experience. Sounds pretty interesting. It does have pretty good acceleration. Good brakes. It's got really good pickup, but around 2,000 to 3,000 RPM. If you try to get back up on a little bit, it's a little slow to respond, but unless you press it down a little bit more. All in all, though, the pedal has a pretty good feel to it. Just have radio controls on the back of the steering wheel. do one quick acceleration pass. See how everything shifts out. Not bad at all. What a nice vehicle. It's a really nice blend of ride, comfort, and features. Got a real good stereo. I highly recommend. Let's go ahead and park it back. And one last sound demo before we head off.
This is life. It's like I just stepped outside. Everything was good.
Gotta love it. See you guys next time.